Hey, welcome back to 20 Minutes or Less. This is our last story of the day. I'm Elliot Morgan.
I'm Joe Beretta. Let's do it.
Interpol announced yesterday that they've arrested 25 members of the hacker group Anonymous. The arrests were part of a raid that spanned Europe and South America. And the suspects arrested ranged in ages from 17 to 40 and are accused of doing what Anonymous does, planning cyber attacks. These particular cyber attacks included targeting government institutions such as Colombia's defense ministry and presidential websites, Chile's Endesa electricity company, and public library, as well as numerous other targets.
An ongoing investigation has been going on since mid-February by both local and federal police agencies. 40 locations in 15 different cities were raided, and they seized over 250 pieces of technology. Acting Interpol Executive Director of Police Services Bernd Rosbach stated, "This operation shows that crime in the virtual world does have real consequences for those involved, and that the internet cannot be seen as a safe haven for criminal activity, no matter where it originates or where it is targeted."
The sentences that could go against the suspects range from 541 days in prison to 5 years in prison. In Chile, Sub-Prefect Jamie Jara said, quote, "For now, we have not established that they have had any special communications among themselves."
A Twitter account supposedly linked to Anonymous's Brazilian wing tweeted, "Interpol, you can't take Anonymous. It's an idea."
And on that note, there have been numerous reports coming out lately about Anonymous teaming up with WikiLeaks. Anonymous claims to have obtained emails from the global intelligence company Stratfor and given them to WikiLeaks. The reason for this is because WikiLeaks has a wider audience that Anonymous can reach. A member of Anonymous stated, "WikiLeaks has great means to publish and disclose. Also, they work together with media in a way we don't."
So with Anonymous teaming up with WikiLeaks to potentially reach a larger group, and with the fact they're more of an idea or movement as opposed to a centralized group or person, no one really knows what kind of impact these arrests are going to have.
Still, it does show that you can't commit crimes online and expect to get away with them. So, what are your thoughts on these recent activities surrounding Anonymous? Leave a comment down below and click the like button and subscribe if you haven't.
And then click on this annotation or go to SourceFed.com. The 5 stories of the day are all the stories that we've ever done. I'm Joe Beretta.
I'm Elliot Morgan. See you tomorrow.
Bye.